Gusto ko naman big bro eh. Hindi naman siguro ito masisira, no?
Kahit yung cash na lang pagbili ng
babayaran.
You are the dancing queen. Young and sweet. Ay, ako ba na siya? 17. It's by Abba. It is gonna hate. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off. Shake it off. Carpenter.
Parang nakabukas yung big bro.
Oy, may dancer,
Gayahin!
Hello? Hala, tumutulog speaker pala ng upuan ko.
Hello ba?
I cannot take it away. From the tambourine, you can dance the time of your life. Oh, see that girl, watch that scene, taking the dancing queen. Umilit yan. Nagreklamo kayo ngayon sa taas. Ano sabihin sa taas? O, di ba kayo?
Taas, ganito.
You are the dance. Ay, nakaharang ako. From the tambourine, oh yeah. Say, that's what people say.
Oo, sabi saying.
I'm the ultimate day. Taking the dancing queen. Wow. Kaya nga eh. Hindi namin nabatid.
Kasi dito ka kaya.
But I can make a
Hindi,
scene.
ikaw dapat sa gitna, ikaw SpongeBob, ikaw
That's
bida.
what people say. That's what people say. Yung mga boses po sa Mahulog yan. Zero na naman. Sinayawan namin yung zero.
Wala ko.
Halika dito, dito ka mo po. Dito ka mo po.
May bagay na ito kami.
Dito ka nga umupo.
Walang gusto.
Dito ka na umupo. Uupo ka.
Parang familiar.
I'll never miss a beat.
It's like I got this music in my mind.
Kaya lang kanina. Because the play's gonna play.
Oo naman.
Ayun. Mic na yun. Shake it off. Shake it off. Hey. Just because I've been sitting down and out of my eyes. This sick beat.
Alam na alam mo.
My ex-man bought his new girl, oh my god. I'm just gonna shake it to the fella over there with the hella good hair. Won't you come on over, baby? We can shake. Hey. Yeah.
Ngayon, tulog na lang. Hindi ka pa kumanta.
Shake it off. Next song, guys.
We're so good.
Zero. Oh my God.
Amen.
Alam,
Ako kasi kumanta.
Ganun tayo kapangit.
As long as we're vibing. Or baka ano tawag na score yan?
Anong vibing?
Vibing.
Vibing?
Basta.
Zero.